Good morning, everyone. Today is your GK's first lecture, so remove your GK books. Page number 22, chapter 13, Famous Wars and Battle. This chapter is all about the witness world's many wars and battles. Some of them greatly affected the world history. Question 1. In this War of Independence, George Washington defeated the British forces. America became independence of British colonies recognized at the Peace of Paris, 1783. The answer is American War of Independence. In this battle, the British under the Duke of Wellington defeated the French under Napoleon in 1815. Napoleon was captured and exiled to St. Helena, where he died. The answer is Battle of Waterloo. I repeat, the answer is Battle of Waterloo. Fought in 261 BC between the Mauryan ruler Ashoka and the Empire of Kalinga. This war moved Ashoka so much that he renounced armed conquest and adopted the policy of Dharma. The answer is Kalinga War. Fourth, this war was fought in 1764 between forces of British East India Company and the combined army of Shujauddaulat Mir Qasim and Shah Alam II. The East India Company emerged as victorious. Answer is Battle of Buxar. I repeat, Battle of Buxar. Fifth one, also known as the Battle of the Sea of Japan, Russia was defeated in this war in 1905. The war came to an end by the Treaty of Portsmouth. The answer is Russo-Independence War. I repeat, the answer is Russo-Independence War. This war was followed by the Iraq invasion of Kuwait, a coalition of about 40 countries including the UK and the USA defeated Iran in 1991. The answer is Gulf War. I repeat, the answer is Gulf War. Seventh question. This war was fought in 1939 to 1945 between the warring factions Germany, Italy, and Japan, Axis power, and Britain, France, Russia, USA, Poland, etc. Allied powers. Allied powers emerged victorious, Germany divided, and Russia emerged as a big power. The answer is World War II. Eighth, in this was war declared against Russia by Turkey in 1853, Britain and Russia in 1854, and Sardinia in 1855. Russia defeated. Answer is Crimean War. I repeat, the answer is Crimean War. In this sea battle, the British fleet under Lord Nelson defeated the combined French and Spanish fleet under Admiral in 1805. Britain won, but Lord Nelson was killed. Napoleon's scheme of invading England was failed. The answer is Battle of Trafalgar. I repeat, the answer is Battle of Trafalgar. 10. This war was caused due to Austria-Siberia rivalry and French-German rivalry in 1914 to 1918. The warring sides were Austria, Bulgaria, Germany, Hungary, and Turkey. Central power against Belgium, England, France, and later Russia and USA allied powers. The Central or the Axis power were defeated. The Treaty of Versailles 1919 brought an end to the war. The answer is World War I. I repeat, the answer is World War I. Chapter 15, National Emblem, page number 25. So kindly open your books and jot down whatever I am saying. So the question is, match the following countries with the national emblems. First country is Australia. The answer will match with kangaroo. F will be your answer, kangaroo. Second, France. The answer will be lily. The answer is G, lily. Question number third, United States of America. The answer is golden rod. The answer is B, golden rod. Question 4, India. Sarnath lion. C, Sarnath lion, capital. Fifth, Japan. The answer is chrysanthemum. H, chrysanthemum. Question 6, United Kingdom. The answer is rose. D, rose. Seventh, Germany. The answer is cornflower. A, cornflower. 8th, Canada, white lily. The answer is E, white lily. Chapter 16, it's on page number 26. The name of the chapter is Female Force. So the question begins with identify and name the following women leaders of the world with the help of given box. The first picture is of Prime Minister of Norway. Her name is Erna Solberg. I repeat, her name is Erna Solberg. The second picture is of President of Chile. Her name is Michelle Bachelet. The third picture is of Chancellor of Germany. Her name is Angela Merkel. I repeat, her name is Angela Merkel. Fourth picture is of Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Her name is Theresa May. Fifth picture is of Prime Minister of Poland. Her name is Beata Szydło. Sixth picture is of President of Nepal. Her name is Vindhya Devi Bhandari. So in today's lecture we have completed word panorama from 13th chapter to 16. In the next lecture we'll complete further more chapters, so stay tuned.